and we are finally back with some more RHL. It's been a while, sorry about that. It's Snow Leopards versus Parrots. Right off the bat, Snow Leopards score. That is a goal by Albert McKenzie, and it is assisted by Uriel Baker. Oh yeah, I don't know if I forgot to mention, Snow Leopards in white, Parrots in blue. And the Parrots are going to score. The goal was by Tucker Francis and assisted by Everett Rogers. Face off. Snow Leopards are not going to win it. But it doesn't really matter because they're just going to hit it back down into the zone. What is he doing? What is the goalie doing? He just let Everett Rogers get a free goal on the Snow Leopards. I can't believe he just did that. They're trying to the best to play good defense, but they just can't. Tucker Francis with another goal. This is not looking good for the Snow Leopards. It's basically about over here, and they're going to win the faceoff again. They have a chance to score again. They don't. They hit into their zone. Snow Leopards are going to do the best in their power to come back here. And what is the goalie doing? Their goalie sucks. Oh my god, oh my god. He misses the goal. He redeems himself. Albert McKenzie with the goal there. One more to tie up the game. Can they do it? They win the faceoff. Albert McKenzie doesn't score. He hits the post. The goalie isn't doing anything. He hits it down. Right to Albert McKenzie. Can he get a hat trick? Can he get a hat trick? Can he get a hat trick? No. What is going on? He misses the shot again. What is going on? This is not good. The goalie barely hits it. What is he doing? Their goalie is terrible. They're doing their best in the power to come back here. They need a goal, and they can't get it. They get it. Albert McKenzie with the hat trick to tie up the game. Albert McKenzie coming in clutch. Oh my god. And it's going to their goal. Great defense by the goalie. The goalie saved it. He did good. He did something good. It's going into overtime. The goalie scores. Oh my god. Uriel Baker doing something good for the Snow Leopards to win that game. Alright, we got Roadhogs in red, Catfish in yellow. What a game. Roadhogs are going to score right off the bat. Somehow missed that first one, but they get the second shot. That goal was by... Who was that? The Roadhogs? That was by John Campbell. Good job by John Campbell there. Catfish have teammates now, so hopefully they could do something here. They hit it down, and they are going to score. That goal was by Darius Carroll and assisted by Micah Edwards. Good job there. It's in the Catfish zone. It's going into the Roadhog zone. Let's see what can happen. I'm so worn out, and they're going to score on the... it's saying it is a own goal, but whatever. I just used all my energy on that last game because of how insane it was. They hit it down. Are we going to be in the same situation as last time? He almost own goals it. That could have been really bad. And he does own goal it. He does own goal. Whoa, sorry, I just read people off the Catfish roster. Those goals were not by Darius Carroll and Micah Edwards. It was by Gunnar Knox and Jackson Carter for the Catfish. Sorry, I completely mixed that up. Hold up, they got a goal. Just kidding. Completely forgot they owned gold. It's going into the Roadhogs. What great defense by the Roadhogs. Going into their zone. And that's going to be a goal by John Campbell. Good job. Alright. Roadhogs are going to win it again. They could tie it. John Campbell. I think that's a hat trick. I'm pretty sure he just got a hat trick. Great job tying up the game. We're in the same situation as last time. Is it going to play out the same? Let's find out. I got my energy back. They're going to score again. No, they're not. Great defense. No, they're going to score. Alrighty, that goes by Garrett Bolt. Whew. We are having some good games. These comebacks are insane. And they're going to be down 5-3. Garrett Bolt with another goal. They're down 5-3, 9 seconds left. I don't know if they can come back. However, John Campo officially has a hat trick now. I'm pretty sure he has all 4 goals for the Roadhogs. They need one more goal. They have 6 seconds to do it. Can they win this game? Can they tie it up at least? And great defense by the Catfish here. It's not going to work out. John Campbell, last second, it just turns to 0. John Campbell, all 5 goals, ties it up. It's going to sudden death. Oh my God. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, please, please. Is this going to be the end of the Roadhogs Week 1? Yes, it is. Garrett Bolt with his hat trick. Very close game. Great game right there. So close. Almost a comeback by the Roadhogs.